delicious. You've got to try this recipe. Let me know how it works out for you. So hello everyone, welcome back. Today it is 30th of June. Come back from work, and so today I'm going to cook piri piri rice. I had marinated the chicken before, mango and lime chicken. It's in the oven, and while that's cooking I am going to make the piri piri rice, and I thought, why not show all of you how to make piri piri rice. We are all fond of it. So I've got one red pepper that I've chopped up, half an onion that I've chopped up. I'm going to put one red chili in it, chopped up, and I might put some grated ginger. So watch me as I make quick and easy piri piri rice. Let's go. I've got about a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. This is optional. You don't need to put it if you don't have it. I have it, so I'm using it. I have also got one red chili which I've sliced up. If you don't like it too hot, you can de-seed the chili and use it. Half a red onion, and one pepper that I've chopped up. Let us make a start. The pan is already quite hot, so I'm going to put a tablespoon of cooking oil. Any cooking oil is great. And then to get the heat, what you need to do is put the sliced chilies. Will give you a beautiful heat. When you put it into the hot oil, it releases the heat of the chilies. So I put the chilies in first, and I'm going to let that sizzle for a bit. Next, I'm going to put in the red onions. I'm going to fry the red onions for a couple of minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, until they become nice and golden and they start separating from the oil, because you want the onions to cook through. Now, see, this has been cooking for 3 minutes, and you can see the onions are browning, so they're cooked through, ready for the next item to go in, which is the ginger garlic paste. Now if you don't have it, that's okay. This is totally optional. You don't need to put in ginger garlic paste if you don't have it. So the chopped peppers go in. Now while this is cooking, I've got it on a medium heat. I'll show you what spices we are putting in. So I've got half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I've got half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now if you don't have this and you don't like it too spicy, you can put in a teaspoon of paprika. So smoky paprika is good if you have it, otherwise normal paprika. But I'm using Kashmiri chili powder, half a teaspoon. And I'm going to put in salt to taste. In my case, I'm putting in a teaspoon of salt. Now, I have cooked rice that I'm going to be using for this dish. This is about 500 grams of cooked rice. You get these bottles. I'm not endorsing them, but Nandos marinades are really great. So you can marinate your chicken with this and then use some of the sauce in your rice, and that'll give it a nice authentic flavor. Right, now at this point, putting in all the spices, give it a nice stir. We're going to drop in going to drop in a bit of the sauce. About a couple of tablespoons. I'm dropping in what I have in this left in this bottle. That's it, all coming together. Let that cook through. It's going to be ready. It's going to be fabulous. You can see it looks beautiful. There you have it. I have made my mango and lime piri piri chicken with mango and lime piri piri rice. Look how good that looks. I'm going to taste it now. Delicious. You've got to try this recipe. Let me know how it works out for you.